Hello and welcome to Sodexis. Today we are going to be looking at a new application that was rolled out here in V19. We're going to be looking at the Payroll app. So we'll just search for the module here. Click Activate. When we go back out, you can see now we have the Payroll app. And if we go inside of it, we can see we have a handful of employees already set up. So essentially, within the employee, you need to set up the type of employee they are in this payroll tab. Things like contract date or when they started, and to when, what their wage is, what type of employee, contract type, and pay category. I set up a new one called test just today on the 29th. So if we scroll down through the work entries, we can see the test person I just created. And there's no logs on all these days because I created it and I started their work contract today now on the 29th. They're considered a salaried employee. So just inherently for the rest of this work week, it's going to show that they have attendance. You can click into this and say the person called out sick and they only had a half day. You can change the duration to 4 hours and save. And it gives you the totals of all hours for all employees, and then you can look individually on how many hours that person worked this week here. And if we go to the profile, we can see here let me go back to the employee profile. When I set this up, you can see here in the payroll tab that I started the contract date on October 29th. And the employee is just set up for a standard 40-hour work week. And that is all recorded now here in this payroll app. Now starting on the 29th for the rest of this work week. And as you move into other work weeks, it will automatically load these into the payroll. I hope this was informative. For more information, please click the link below.